To find slope between 2 points, we have to use something called the slope formula. Slope formula is a super great tool that we can use because what I basically am doing is I'm finding the rise over run, but I don't need to graph things first. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to find the difference in the y values, and that goes over the difference in the x values. Y minus y over x minus x. It's going to find that up and down movement compared to our steps right or left. So let's see how this is going to work. So in both of my ordered pairs, 5, 1 and 4, 8, I'm going to go through and first label what's the x and what's the y. Every single ordered pair goes in alphabetical order, x and then y. So x then y for the first one, x then y for the second one. When I'm thinking about now trying to use the slope formula, I know that on top of the fraction, I've got the difference in the y's. So I look here and I see one of the y's is 1, the other y is 8. So these are the two numbers that I'm going to subtract to put in top of the fraction. It is your choice which direction you want to go, 1 minus 8 or 8 minus 1, but whatever you make as a choice for the top part of the fraction, you need to stay consistent for the bottom. So I'm going to choose to take 8 minus 1 because then there's no negatives on top, but it doesn't matter. I'll get the right answer either way. So 8 take away 1 is the top part of my fraction. So that's our rise. We're thinking about how far up or down this line is moving. Next, I'm going to look at the x values, right? Those are the things that live on the bottom of the fraction. So I've got 4 and 5 as the x values. Since I went 8 minus 1 on the top, I have to go in the same direction on the bottom, 4 minus 5. Once I have this all set up, now I'm just answering. 8 minus 1 is 7. 4 minus 5 is a negative 1. If you'd like to circle this answer, that's fine. Otherwise, 7 divided by a negative 1 is just negative 7.